Hey everyone! So in this video I'm going to explain gyroscopic precession. So let's first examine what happens when the top is not spinning. So I place it on this pivot and you'll see that obviously it falls over on its side. Well, let's examine that closer. Here we have a force that's acting straight down. That's the force of gravity on this object. And we have this arm here, which we'll call the lever arm or the radius, and that is going to produce a torque. If we want to find the direction of it, I'm going to take my hand and I'm going to point it along that R, straight down for the force of gravity, and the direction where my thumb is now is the direction of the torque. So that torque is going to change as this gyroscope moves around. So if I kind of draw it out from your perspective, you have this kind of circle that's being outlined. So as this moves around, it's kind of outlining a circle. At any point, that torque is going to be perpendicular to the circle. Neat. So there's two torques involved. There's that one, and then there's angular momentum. So angular momentum, the direction of that one is going to be, if I take my fingers and I point them along this radius here, from there to there, and then curl them towards the tangential velocity, which is in this direction here, its direction is going to be where my thumb is. And that's basically just straight out of this, out of the top of this, right there. So I have one torque in this direction and one torque in this direction. So if I were to draw that down here, so remember that angular momentum, its directional change in if there's an applied torque, but its magnitude will stay the same. So there's our torque from gravity. And then it's going to change direction. So its magnitude stays the same, it just changes direction. But now, if you notice here, that the torque is now perpendicular again. And of course, the angular momentum will change direction. And as you can see, that this will eventually map out a circle. You can almost kind of think of the angular momentum kind of chasing that torque vector around. So let's try this out and see if what we've discovered here is true. All right. Okay, as you can see, just as predicted, the gyroscope precesses in the direction that we thought initially. There you go. That's gyroscopic precession. Thank you.